Good morning, children. Children, we have already discussed in our previous lessons about the topic factors. Today, I am sending you one video lesson so that it will be more clear to you that how can we find out the factors of a number. Students, one thing keep in your mind that before doing the topic factors, you must learn the tables. The tables from 1 to 20 should be on your tips. Then it will be easy for you to do this chapter. Clear? So on daily basis, you will practice the tables at your home. Clear? So let us start our topic. How can we find the factors of a given number? I am starting with a very simple number, that is 12. Clear? Suppose we have to find the factors of 12. Always start with 1 because every number comes in the table of 1. You can write this that 1 into 12 is equals to 12. So we know that every number comes in the table of 12. Now children, think in your mind that in which next table 12 comes. After 1, let us check for 2. 12 comes in the table of 2. Yes. 2 into 6 is 12. Now think next table. 12 comes in the table of 3. Yes. 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Now think next table. Yes, I know you must be thinking about 4. But students, now listen very carefully. You are thinking about the table of 4. But first of all check whether you have written 4 here already. Check. Yes, we have already written here 4. So whenever the repetition occurs, we will stop here. Or you can write also, there will be no problem if you write it like this. You can stop here also, you can stop here also. One thing keep in mind, if the repetition occurs, you can see here 4 is repeating, 3 is also repeating. So we will stop at that step. Now we are done. Only we have to write the factors of 12. So how will write factors? We will write factors of 12 are, start from here. Fine? Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3, no, already we have written. 4, no, already we have written. Then 6, then in the last 12. These are the factors of 12. Clear, students? Now let us find the factors of 36. Now again, I told you earlier also that we will start from 1. So we will write 1 multiply 36 is equal to 36. Then you have to think that 36 comes in the table of 2 or not. So now listen very carefully. I'm telling you one trick so that you can easily tell whether 36 or any number comes in the table of 2 or not. Fine? Now, if the last digit, suppose we have to find that 36 comes in the table of 2 or not? Yes, na? Now, listen. If the last digit of any number, if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If the last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number will come in the table of 2. Or we can also say that the number will be divisible by 2. Now students, what is the last digit of this number? 6. Yes, it is divisible by 2. But we don't know 2 multiply what is given, what gives us 36. So we can check it by division. 36, 2. 2 1 is 2, 1 minus getting, then 6, 2 8 is 16. So now you know that 2 multiply 18 is equals to 36. Now students, next we have to move the next table, that is 3. Again we will check by division. Yes na? 36 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3. Then 3 2 is 6. So can I write 3 multiply 12 is equals to 36. Clear? Now next table 4. 4 9 is 36. Then 5, no, 36 not comes in the table of 5. Then 6, yes, 6 into 6 gives you 36. Yes na? Now you can see here repetition is there. Repetition is there. So we can stop here. Or we can also say that the next 7 table not possible. In the table of 8 not possible. Then in the table of 9, yes, 9 into 4 is 36. So the repetition occurs. We will stop here. Clear students? So now you will write the factors of 36. Factors of 36. So let us start writing. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 9. No, already written. No, no, yes. Then 12, then 18, then last 36. So these are the factors of 36. I hope it is clear to you now. How can we find the factors of a given number? Now students, let us discuss few important points. We have written here the factors of 12 and the factors of 36. So if you see here, you can also say this, that 1 is the factor of every number. We can easily say this because 1 is coming here also and 1 is coming in the factor of 36 also. You find any factor of, you find the factors of any number, you will observe that 1 is the factor of every number. Clear? Next, if you see, we can count the number of factors. How many factors are there? There are 6 factors. And how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 factors are there. It means we can count the number of factors. So we can say that the number of factors are finite. Finite means we can count the number of things. Clear? Next is every number. If you see, now see, I am finding the factors of 12. So 12 is coming as a factor. I am finding the factor of 36. So 36 is also its factor. It means we can say that every number is a factor of itself. Clear, children? Okay. Next is every factor of a number is less than the number. Yes, na? Here 1 is less than 12, 2 is less than 12, 3 is less than 12 and 4 is less than 12, 6 is also less than 12. So we can say that every factor of a number is less than the number. Clear? Now students, if I ask you, can a factor of a number can be greater than the number? No, it is not possible, because we have already discussed that every factor of a number will be less than the number. I hope students, now it is clear to you that how can we find the factors of a given number. Now you will try once more this exercise. Fine? Thank you, children.